Make a reindeer with 55CSKL. Before we start, please like, share, and subscribe. There you go. See the first S, C. There you go. Like I said, this is done in pencil, so you could erase little things. Okay, don't get stuck with it. That's why I like doing the pencil first. There you go, and then connect that. So we've already caught that. We got C, we got the S and the C. So what comes next? Okay, so we're about to do the K. Excellent. What comes next? We're about to do the L. This completes it right there. Okay, so watch how carefully where I'm placing it. Right there. Good. With the L. And that does it right there. See? Now, what you do for that, make sure you do for the other one. We're connecting them now. So how does that become? There you go. That becomes the K. The back, as you expect, becomes the tail. Now, I'm probably going to hear a lot of people saying reindeers don't have that kind of tail. Yes, I got it. Reindeers have a short tail, but you know what's funny? I don't care. It's just used as a guide. If you want to keep the tail, you keep it. And right up the top there, that's where you're going to put the 5. The 5 becomes the horn. From there, you got the eyes, little cute little ears here and there. Then you do another 5. And you got your reindeer. So, color. Put some fur. We're taking it further, right? Do your Christmas card. How nice it is to do a Christmas card. Something simple like that, which is not really that simple, but hey, there you go. You got some color on it. And look how cute he is. I love it. Like I said, if you like what you're seeing, once again, guys, keep us going. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll bring you more. How to do simple drawings with just numbers and words. It can be done, guys. Now, anybody can draw. Anybody. There you go. We're going to bring you more. Because you know what? Anybody can draw. Thank you.